Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix Instagram search is not working. So let's get started. Well, after getting the app, and if you tap on the search icon at the bottom left corner, and then tap on the search bar, and here, let's say you're looking for something, but it doesn't show up or it's not working. Here, what we're gonna do, we're gonna swipe from the top right corner of your screen and then turn off the Wi-Fi and then turn it on. Or you can just turn it off and turn on the cellular data, because sometimes the cellular data is stronger than the Wi-Fi. Now the second thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go out from here and open up our settings. Now we're gonna scroll all the way down and tap on apps option. After that, we're gonna choose the second option, manage apps. Scroll all the way down and look for Instagram. So tap on it. And now tap on clear data, then clear cache and confirm. And this is gonna delete if there's any bugs in the app and fix any issues. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.